it. This guy can't. He can't stay in a lane. He can't stay in a lane. He doesn't know what's going on. Look at him. Now he's in the left lane. Look, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's in the right lane again. This. Look at this. Hit the lane isn't wide. Oh. No, he's still in the middle lane.
Don't kill my card, eh?
I won't.
I have a 2 gig card. I'll send the footage.
Oh, is he going over? No, look at him bounce. Look at him bounce. He's dancing. Look at him. He's just bouncing. What is he doing? He's going right lane, right lane.
Lane changes.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm getting this. Oh man, this guy shouldn't be on the road. Holy shit! Oh, he's doing it again. He's doing it again. I feel sorry for this Accord. He's gonna get run off the road.
Close my back.
Yeah.